Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. You can see we are dressed up for Halloween. I am Cruella Deville and you guys are my little Dalmatians. So we are headed to a Halloween event. As you see, we're actually going to two different ones.
Pretty.
Thank you, baby. You're so sweet. I love you. Such a gentleman. But yeah, guys, we are headed to FUNBOX because they redecorated for Halloween. So if you guys want to see all of the little photo ops and all the cute little decorations they have,
and we have a new car, new house.
Yes, we do. I'm going to be including some freebies that everyone's giving out for Halloween time. So just stay tuned to the very end and I'll list it just like my last year's video. But yeah, guys, if you want to see all the fun stuff we're doing for Halloween, then just keep watching. So this is what their costumes came out like.
This
well,
is
that's
not
for mine.
To be, but it's for my mom.
Yeah, for Cruella. Here's Bubby's. This is in the Macarena, but this is how his costume came out. And Paris, let me see yours. She doesn't have hers buckled, but that's how hers came out. And then I'm wearing these red pointy shoes from Lola's.
Lola, yeah!
Lola. Use code Jonalyn to get 30% off. And then I just have these red gloves, and then I have this little Bolero shrug, and then I have this dress from Fashion Nova. But yeah, guys, I like how they came out. Say happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Macarena. Oh my god. So we are at FUNBOX again. Now they're doing like a Halloween special. So let's go see what they have inside. Hi guys, so we officially got out of FUNBOX. Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
It was so fun. So I totally forgot to mention that there's a 20% off coupon. It's 20 spooky, so 20 SPOOKY, and you get 20% off. But I don't know if I'm supposed to be sharing it with you guys, so go ahead and hurry up and use it so that this is my little puppy. So use that coupon for 20% off, but hurry up and use it because I don't know when it expires or if they're gonna shut it off like anytime soon, because I know this is a Halloween event. But I definitely recommend going there. There was so many photo opportunities. There was so many things that the kids loved. We do our yearly family costumes. So I was Cruella Deville and they were my little Dalmatians. And then they're gonna dress up with their normal ones that they want to do too. So Bub's gonna be Spider-Man, Perry's gonna be Elsa, and Apple is gonna be Jojo Siwa. But I wanted to go in these ones so that we could wear our little family costume. But you guys don't have to go in costumes at the place. We just went because we wanted to go with the little theme. I hope you guys like the little DIY that I did. We were actually supposed to do this last year.
Yeah.
But we ended up doing the Wizard of Oz. So this year I'm like, I have to do the Cruella Deville and 101 Dalmatians. If you don't follow us on Instagram, it is at Princess Jonalyn. And we'll be posting a picture of our whole outfits there. So don't forget to go and follow us on Instagram and like our pictures.
Follow us on Instagram.
And like our picture. But yeah, guys, don't forget to stay tuned to the very end because I actually included some of the freebies that they're doing for Halloween, like I did last year, my last video. My last year's video.
Coca-Cola. That's my favorite.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we went to FUNBOX.
Yes, that was FUNBOX and it was so fun, huh?
Yeah. I was sweating.
Yeah, she was sweating because she had so much fun. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and
subscribe to our
give
channel.
this video a big thumbs up. And let us know down below what you guys are doing for Halloween. We want to know. Like I said, Bubba's going to be Spider-Man, Apple's going to be JoJo, and Peri's going to be Elsa. So yeah, we definitely want to know what you guys are going to be for Halloween.